The Pro-4 Secure Touch Lock is a TSA-approved personal lock that uses biometric fingerprint technology to ensure that only registered users can gain access to your most valued possessions. The lock features a half-inch fingerprint sensor pad that can store up to 10 fingerprints at a time, a function settings button, LED instruction light, 1-inch locking shackle, and a micro USB charge port with an included charging cord. There is also a TSA manual key access port. This feature is only accessible by the United States Transportation Security Administration in the event that items in a travel bag or suitcase need to be accessed.